warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gusti Randa, name 33.
My name is Amelia Sari, my name 5. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have been sneezing a lot and my nose keeps running. It might be an allergy.
I see. Have you taken any medicine for your allergy before?
Not really. My friend told me about cetirizine. Does it work?
Yes, cetirizine is an antihistamine that's sneezing, itching, and runny nose.
Great. How should I take it?
You can take one tablet once a day, preferably in the evening.
Why in the evening?
Because cetirizine can make some people a bit sleep.
Oh, I see. Can I take it with food?
Yes, you can take it with or without food, whichever feels better for you.
What if I forget to take the dose?
Take it as soon as you remember, but don't double the dose.
Are there any side effects I should know about?
The most common one is mild drowsiness, but it usually doesn't last long.
Can I drink alcohol while taking it?
It's better not to because alcohol can increase drowsiness.
Alright, thank you for your advice. I will take one tablet tonight.
You are welcome. I hope you feel better soon.